The next upgrade is sporting analysis for the respiratory system. For this is mainly to do with breathing rate. My sporting example is football. When there is a low breathing rate, this tends to be watching a tackle happen, as you aren't running around as much and you aren't out of breath. You're literally just watching it happen from the side. Your breathing rate would just be at a resting level, which wouldn't be very high. For a medium breathing rate, this could be when an opponent or you fail to tackle, and so you have to run back in to stop the opponents getting the ball. You're moving quite a lot around the pitch, however this isn't high intensity, so your breathing rate wouldn't increase highly. For high breathing rate, this could be when you finally get the ball back. You'll be sprinting up the line as a winger, and you can't get enough O2, so your breathing rate increases to get the maximal amount of oxygen you can and expel the most CO2 and waste products that you possibly can.